So how does it look like? This is how the light look like. And this is only 50%. If you go all the way up, I mean, look how bright this thing is. Alright guys, today I'm just gonna show you my favorite light, LED light that I just got from Amazon. And this is for you guys as a YouTubers. You gotta be able to have a light in your room where it can light up everything. And this light is GVM. I got 150 watt RGB video light, and this is really good. I'm gonna show you the pieces that I got from Amazon so you can see exactly how it looks like. And when you get it, or if you want to buy it, I think right now it's $228. I got mine from Thanksgiving. Oh no, from not Thanksgiving. Was it Thanksgiving? No, I think it was Black Friday. Sorry, from Black Friday, and it was very cheap. It was like 50% off or 40% off, I believe. And I was just like, hey, I think this is the right time to get some lighting. So right now my ISO is very high, as you can see, but if I lower it down, I'll be dark here and I have like a dark skin color, so it's totally different. But this is what it looks like if I have the light on. First of all, when you go, you're gonna need to download the GVM 2 or GVM LED light. It looks like this. That app right there, that's what you need to download. For some people, they have a problem with downloading it, or they have a problem to connect it. But when you download the app, before you open the app, you gotta go to your Bluetooth and connect it. You connect that, and then after that, you go back to the app, right? You open the app, bang, and I believe right now I'm connected, but for you, you probably will ask you to connect it again and press connect, and that's it. So how does it look like? This is how the light look like. And this is only 50%. If you go all the way up, I mean, look how bright this thing is. It's very bright, right? And that's 100%. And if you want to change the color, you come here now. This is where you start changing the color, the tone of the color. As you can see, I have all different colors. But let me just show you what comes with the lighting. Yeah, what comes with this. You can go and turn it off. Right now it's off. I'm gonna show you what comes with the color. Also, one thing I was gonna say, I'm gonna mention is that the cord is very long. I mean, look how this, I believe it's like 25 or 30 feet, which is very long. Yeah, it's very long. So I really enjoyed this, and I like how they're able to help you out. But yeah, this thing is not really connected. You might as well just tape it up right here, so that way you don't come up with something. What comes with the light, it's the leg. This is the first thing that comes with the light. For you guys, I put this on by myself. If you need any help, because I like to move my light sometimes in different angles, right? I can just put the wheel on and wheel it and just push it. So that way I don't have anything. And also has a brake. You can put the brake on, doesn't move. So I put this by myself. And if you want to help, if you want to know how did I get this, just comment down below. I'll be able to help you out with that. So this, it comes with the leg, just like this. And the light handle. This is for the light. Lastly, we came out with, this is the stand, and it's very, very heavy. I believe it's like 10 feet, if I'm not mistaken, which is really good. I mean, and it's very sturdy. Aluminum, I really like this. I dig this. So, how are you gonna open it? So you're gonna do it. I'm just gonna show you exactly how I did mine. And you're gonna have to push, right? One by one, just like this. This is what it's gonna look like. Okay. You're gonna put that on right here. And put the handle back inside. Just like that, right? Now you can be able to move around. If you want to move your light, if you want to go somewhere, just be able to push. That's the reason why I got this, you know, plus it looks cool. And the second thing, I already measured mine, so I don't know how yours is gonna look like, but this is how mine looks like. You know, I think it's like this, yeah, just like that. This is gonna look like. And for the lights, right, just have to push this right here. I think it's kind of low. Let me see if I can put my camera high a little bit. Just like this. Voila. And just put everything on count. And put it on and press on. Press the light. Go up and down as you can see. One thing I'll tell you is that the things makes a little bit of noise, especially for somebody who has you're recording with the microphone. You might hear that sound. You can put 100%, doesn't come out so much, but that fan is always gonna make some noise on your microphone when you're recording. That's one thing you have to be aware of. But it's not that it makes a lot of noises, so it's gonna bring a problem. No, I know how to take that sound off when I EQ my own vocals. So that's one thing you gotta learn. And let me see if I can get close to it. That's how the sound sounds like. But as you can see, my light sometimes is way far away from me. I can still hear it a little bit, but I can always take that off. That's one thing you have to be aware of. But I hope you like this video, and comment down below, guys. Do not forget to subscribe for new videos when I drop it, and hit the notification bell, and let me know what else can I do next. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you like this video. Bye.